Hi guys, let's look at some of the trades and analysis that I took last week. So I'll start with the analysis that we had made. Let's look at this setup here. This was the BTC TA. This was on that, and we had predicted that it's going to come to these levels, 101, yeah, 101 levels. But there's also a possibility of coming to 98 levels. Let's see. So the BTC. Look at what happened after that. It happened exactly as we had predicted. It came to this level. It has come to retest here, but I was looking. My target was around these 98 levels because that's where also the 200 SMA is at. And if you look at the fear and greed index, you realize that we are still in the fear territories. So this is the right time to do some dollar cost averaging. You can start buying in small portions, because remember, you buy when there is fear, or when there is greed. That's when you start selling, because that's when everyone, especially the beginners, that's when they start buying. That's when the narrative is high. That's when everyone is talking about it. That's when most people start buying. But it should be the opposite. But anyway, it played out exactly as we had predicted. A 9 or 10% move. That was really good. Okay, then from there, let's check some other um, analysis also. Oh, these, when I was sharing this, it was still going down. So this is Zen. We took the Zen trade. We took the Blue AI trade. Now this was a Swift trade. Would have made more money here, but we exited early. Let me show you. That is 0.0130. Look at our entry. Our entry was really good. Let's come here and search for. Look at this. Now I had spotted this trade, but my target was around this point here. But I ended up exiting around this area. But our entry was super swift. We were risking only 6% to gain 40%, which is a good, almost 6 good ratio, yeah. But anyway, I exited Ari. I think the reason why I exited this trade was because I was on phone. I was on phone when I was exiting this trade. I remember I was on phone, so I did not even check about how it's trading and all that. We also took the ZK trade, the Dodge trade. This was really beautiful. Now look at that analysis. We are using the 3-day analysis to just spot the areas of interest. You see that? So once you have these areas of interest, you can know where the market is going to. So it's going to be much easier for you to flow with the direction. Yeah, and this is what we had seen. Then from Dodge, we took a short that position. We took a short here, and this one I was stopped out because I don't just want to stay in the desk. So I took this position on 4 hours. Let me show you. This was the position here. After this move, I knew definitely that we are going to have a balancing, because this was definitely a big move. Remember, we are in 4 hours. This was I was looking for an imbalance. This was an imbalance that I was looking to be at least balanced. So when I saw this level of consolidation, if you go to lower time frame, you see it much better actually. When I saw this point where the market has moved and then now it's consolidating, and then look at this, there's a shift of structure here, right? You can see that boom, boom. Now we have this one, yeah. Then this is also, there is an order broke here at the fair value gap here. So I knew that if the market comes and goes above here, my trade will be invalidated. So I took that trade here, and boom, came to this point. I was targeting it to come to this area here, because you can also see it was a point of 61.8 on Fib, and also a point of where the market broke out here. So this was a point of interest for me, but unfortunately did not come to that point, and I was stopped out around this area. I was stopped out around this 1.75, that area. That's when I was stopped out. And I also took another trade here, but I did not even share in the group. But this trade was really, I exited early around this point. It's a 9% move. But later on, I think we experienced a short loss. We experienced one loss that week. Let's see. Which one is it here? There's a short we had. This one. This was a loss on AR, but this one, this was a crazy one. I know it would have been avoided. I was exhausted. It was at night. I was busy after a long day, and then bado na kielele yangu nikasema today I have to take a trade. So let's look. Hiyo ni AR actually. Which trade is that? Nimesahau. I think ni AR. Yeah. Let's go hapa tu. So this trade tunge avoid ni fara tu yangu, but anyway, look at this. Man. Oh my god. Oh man, look at this. So ilikuwa around 2. If you look at that chart, utaona ilikuwa around 2:30 am. So ilikuwa usiku, yeah. Na mimi nimechoka, nikakuja nikaona trade like aka falling, like market ishaanza ku break with these big volumes, you can see that, yeah. And then now there is this falling, jama mnaitanga aje. So nikaona like iki break out here na ina cross above this point of interest, then I'll trade. But then sikugoja like this candle I cross ndo nikuwe confirmed. I was trippy. So nikasetaje, wacha niweke a small stop loss, a tight stop loss, and then niweke TP hapa na mimi niondoke. But look at that, what happened? The market came, kaniambia 3 am ndo market zina reset, ama ndo I think ni Tokyo session, something like that. And of course ilikuwa obvious lazima tukuje tupate a sweep before tupande. And guys, manzi, look at that. Tulistopiwa, and then sweep ikaenda side ya TP yetu. But then after that, I did not see this. I was seeing this right now actually. The market made over 100%. Over 100% from our entry, manzi. Over 100%. Damn. That was crazy. You would have made good money. Anyway, it is what it is. You know your type of trading, and then ujue venye nini itaenda. Ujue like venye uko comfortable, like you know you sleep vizuri. No. Oh, this is the brew. I think I already said this. I had targeted this point, then nikatoka hapa kwa sababu ya nilikuwa on phone. I was not patient and all that. You can't say that. But profit is profit. Profit is profit. So that's the analysis for BTC. Bado I expect BTC could get these levels. Why am I saying that? Easy levels is 98. Why am I saying that? Ukiangalia kuna a point of in 24 hours. Let me change it to 1 month. Tuangalia kuna liquidity, kuna some liquidity in that area. No, there's some 46 million volume hapo hivi, so inaweza kuja bado this level. Kama itakuja hapo, then tunaiangalia wapi? Huku kwa 112, yeah. Tutaangalia those levels, either 112 iko wapi, hii level yetu ikuje kuretest properly hapa hivi, ama 98, this level here, yeah. But that's it. I think we discuss other trades later. For now, bye bye, all the best.